What'd you get?
Nothing.
Yes, you did.
I didn't get nothing. I'm worried about what I got.
Give it.
Nope, because you wanted to be mean.
I gave you a
So
dollar.
I'm giving you $1 when we get home. And you said these were gay anyway.
No, I didn't.
Yes, huh?
No, I didn't. Fine. You went liquor! I'm gonna get a picture of you.
What's the French toast?
Oh, I don't know about that cootie head doo-doo, the doo-doo head cootie queen.
How you call it cootie queen? You went liquor.
And then you go, you hoe bucket.
Hoe bucket?
Yeah, that's what she said. I know. I watched the whole video.